Welcome to AT&T Technical Tips. Are multiple devices in your office being affected by power issues? In this video, I will explain how you can resolve these concerns with your building maintenance team or licensed electrician. Although AT&T cannot work on your electrical system, we'd like to offer the following suggestions. First, let's talk about commercial and building power interruptions. Brownouts, construction work, and downed power lines can disrupt commercial power for extended periods of time. Work with both your building maintenance team and electrical company to discuss how to mitigate the effects of these interruptions. Check to see if your building maintenance team already has a backup generator to use during power interruptions. If they don't, I recommend that you explore with them options for installing one. You will also need a battery backup solution to keep your equipment running until the generator starts. Some power interruptions cannot be avoided. For example, during government-scheduled rolling blackouts, utility power gets shut down by region. You may be restricted from running a backup generator to keep your equipment online during that time. Also, your company may not have utility power because its location is remote or in a construction area. Unless you run your operation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you will probably only use your generator during business hours. In either scenario, every time the power goes off, your service provider might automatically generate a ticket. This can result in unnecessary intrusive testing and billable dispatches. However, you can avoid this by asking your network service provider to do the following in their ticketing system. Explore options to suppress power-related auto-detect tickets. Update their records about your location to include the status of your site power. Correct this information if conditions change. Now let's talk about your building's wiring. Energized grounds in your equipment room are a safety concern and can cause equipment to power cycle or become damaged. Ask your building maintenance team to check the electrical circuits running from your service panels to your equipment to ensure they aren't miswired. Also, request isolated ground outlets for all of your network devices as well as an isolated ground for your equipment racks and mounts. If you can't get reliable power, contact your AT&T account manager to discuss other options. You may be able to relocate some or all of your business functions to the cloud. Or you could explore moving them to a different site with more stable power. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for choosing AT&T.